Hey, I'm Greg from the Gamma Ray Society, and let's open up a booster pack from Theros Beyond Death. I don't remember this set too much. I think there's some pretty good cards in here, though. Let's see what we get. Riptide Turtle, Stampede Rider, Nyxborn Cursor, Vexing Gull, Relentless Pursuit, Flummoxed Cyclops. I often feel like a Flummoxed Cyclops. Unknown Shores, Final Death, Return to Nature, oldie but a goodie, Dreamstalker Manticore, Phalanx Tactics, very good, Heliod's Punishment, and the rare, I think, is next, the Akroan War. I do remember this, with Farika's Spawn as an uncommon foil. Ooh, very nice. I love these full art lands, and a Human Soldier token. Hey, thanks so much for watching. May the cards be with you.